Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Dodge Ram headlight. First, gather your tools, a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. Park your truck on a level surface and turn off the engine. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Let's get started with the first step. Now, open your hood and locate the three 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly. These are usually visible at the top and side. Use your ratchet and 10mm socket to carefully remove each bolt. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out. It might feel snug, but a steady pull will release it. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into position. This ensures a proper connection. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its opening, aligning it properly. Reinstall the three 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Test your new headlight to ensure it works correctly. For more great deals and the link to grab some Little Trees black ice, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.